Today we have an iPhone 7 Plus that's having a password, and the password has been tried so many times that the iPhone has been disabled. So in this video I'll be showing you how to unlock the passcode of an iPhone 7 Plus with UNLOCKTOOL. So let's get started. So the tools you need are UNLOCKTOOL. You are going to need UNLOCKTOOL, 3U tool as your monitor, and the driver installer for UNLOCKTOOL, so that you can be able to get all the drivers needed to read this phone when it's connected to your PC. So next thing we are going to do now is to put this phone into recovery mode. We are going to put the phone into recovery mode. So volume down, volume up, volume down, power, and slide to turn off. As soon as it turns off, press and hold the volume down and power, and then maintain the two buttons. Keep maintaining the two buttons till it brings you to recovery mode. Now the phone is in recovery mode. Go ahead now and open 3U tools. It's still loading. Okay, now the phone is connected in recovery mode. Now let's go ahead and also open UNLOCKTOOL. UNLOCKTOOL is taking some time to load. Yes, now UNLOCKTOOL is open, and now let me log in. To have access to UNLOCKTOOL, you need a license. I can help you to get the license if you want. It's not free. You need to agree to their terms and conditions, then continue. Let me log into my UNLOCKTOOL interface. Processing. Good. Now UNLOCKTOOL is open. Now you are going to click here on Apple. I understand. Now it's going to take you here. Click on ramdisk. And click read iOS. Click on it. The phone is in recovery mode, remember. So to start, we need to know the iOS version of the iPhone 7. The iOS is iOS 15. Now come back here and click download. We are going to need a certain file to be able. We are going to need a file which is a ramdisk file of iPhone 7 Plus version 15, iOS version 15, to be able to continue our unlock. So we are just going to click on download, and it's going to take you to this page. You click on iPhone, on ramdisk iPhone, and here you have iPhone 7 Plus. Click on it, and now it's going to show you the different iOS versions. It's going to show you the different iOS versions: iOS 15, 14, 13, 12. So our iOS version here is iOS 15.6. So we are going to go ahead and download iOS 15, iPhone 7 Plus iOS 15. It's not a heavy file, so we are going to download it. Save. It's just 197 MB. Okay, now the file is done downloading. Let's open it. Now we need to extract the file. You need to extract it here. Extract here. The file has been extracted. Now you need to go ahead and close UNLOCKTOOL. For us to be able to insert this file into UNLOCKTOOL, we first of all need to close UNLOCKTOOL. Close UNLOCKTOOL, and then now go to Files. Go to Files and go to Local Disk C, UNLOCKTOOL. Go to Data Files. Sorry, we first of all need to copy the extracted ramdisk file we downloaded. First of all, need to copy it, which is this. Yeah, copy it. Copy, and now go back to Local Disk C, UNLOCKTOOL, Data Files, Apple, and paste it here. Great. Now close your File Explorer and then open UNLOCKTOOL again. Now the phone, since it took long for us to download the files, it went back to its normal mode. So let's put it again back to the recovery mode. Volume up, volume down, power, switch it off, maintain volume down and power button till it brings you to the recovery mode. It's back in recovery mode. Now log in to your UNLOCKTOOL. To have access to UNLOCKTOOL, you need license. I can help you to buy the license. There's 3 months, 6 months and 1 year license. So I'm logging into UNLOCKTOOL again once more. Processing. Great. Going into Apple, I understand, and select ramdisk. Now the file we downloaded, we are going to come here to begin the process. So you are going to come here, click on this button and now choose iOS 15 times, which is the file that the ramdisk file that we downloaded and imported into the UNLOCKTOOL data files in your File Explorer. Now we are going to put the phone into DFU mode. To begin the process, we are going to put the phone into DFU mode. The phone is now in recovery mode. To put the phone in DFU mode, we are going to use UNLOCKTOOL as our monitor to monitor it when it's in DFU mode. Now click and hold the power button and the volume down. Once the screen goes off and it disconnects from the computer, leave the power button and continue holding the volume down button. Now iPhone is in GFU mode. Now go back to unlock tool, and click on the option PWNTFU. Click on caster and let it do its job. Installing drivers. Okay. Good. We have to check again if it's still on GFU mode, because we are using this as a monitor. Now go back to unlock tool. After doing this PWNGFU mode, disconnect and connect it again to fix any error, so that if there is any error, it should be able to fix it. Now come to boot ramdisk. Click on boot ramdisk. It's booting ramdisk now. Booting ramdisk is going to take some time. As you can see, great, done. Now the phone is in ramdisk mode, that's why it is unable to read on the 3U tools. Now go back to unlock tool, and then here is what we are going to do. Click on backup passcode. Backup the passcode. Backup passcode. Backing up passcode. Passcode has been backed up successfully. Now go and click the factory reset option. Factory reset the phone. It's resetting the phone right now. It's going to take some time, but it's going to be done. Great. Now let's wait for the phone to actually come on, and then it's going to come on the halo mode. Let the phone come on. It's going to take some time because it is erasing all the data that's inside the phone. It's going to restart, there's no problem. It's going to come on. You see, our monitor unlock tool has just detected the device. It's soon going to be on. It's already on. It's just loading the operating system. Now while the device is turning on, if you after downloading the ramdisk file, if after downloading the ramdisk file, which you are going to import it to the unlock tool data file folder, here is what I did when I first download. Here is what I did. I opened the folder and copy the two files. But if it doesn't work that way, you copy the folder itself. Copy the folder. After copying the folder, go now back to your this PC and go to unlock tool, data files, Apple, and paste the folder here. Paste the whole folder. If you copy these two files and it doesn't read in the unlock tool software, go and copy the whole folder and paste it in as shown in the video here. Now the phone has come on. It says iPhone is locked to owner. It's written in French. Now next step, remember this method I'm showing you is going to work with SIM card. It's going to work with network, so don't panic. Now we are still going to put the phone back into recovery mode. Slide, turn off, maintain the volume down and power button for it to enter recovery mode. Volume down and power button for it to enter recovery mode. Great. Now the phone is in recovery mode. Let's use our monitor to put it back to GFU mode. Remember, power button, volume down. Press and hold the both at the same time. As soon as the phone disconnects on the tool, release the power button and continue maintaining the volume down button, and it's going to enter GFU mode. Once it's in GFU mode again, open your unlock tool again and click on the same option, PWNGFU mode, Gaster, and now it's going to get the job done. It's installing the drivers for you to be able to boot the ramdisk file properly. After it's done, disconnect and reconnect your device. Check it again if it's still in GFU mode. If it's not, you have to put it back. Both ramdisks is now booting ramdisk. Good. Now we are going to click on this option, the passcode, the passcode we backed up. We are going to click on restore backup passcode and disable OTA, which is the hello menu. So click on it. It's still processing. Great, we are done. Now let's wait for the phone to turn on, and I will insert a SIM card inside to show you how it's working properly. Now while it's coming on, after these 3 files you need, okay, the phone is on. This file, the driver installer tool, shows the device. Just wanted to show you something very quick. You have to install the drivers. I forgot to mention it at the beginning. You have to install the driver installer, or you just open Chrome and type on their web page. And go to download. After clicking on download, scroll down, you will see download drivers for brands. And driver installer UNLOCKTOOL. And this is how the driver looks like this. It looks exactly like the UNLOCKTOOL, but down is written driver installer. Same with the UNLOCKTOOL. Download, link to download UNLOCKTOOL. If you want to download the latest version, just click on link to download tool. And for the ramdisk, you just click on iPhone ramdisk, and iPhone ramdisk, you choose the iPhone. If it's iPhone 7, iPhone 8, and you choose you after getting the iOS version of the iPhone, download the one that corresponds to it, the ramdisk file that corresponds to it, and import it to the folder, the UNLOCKTOOL folder, data files, and then you can begin your unlock process. Now the phone is on. Let me insert a SIM card to show you how it's working properly. As you can see, it's working properly with network. You can even dial a USSD code to confirm you that it is working properly. You see, dismiss. Let me call my number again.
Sorry, you don't have enough balance for this call. Press.
So that's it, guys. Just follow all the steps in the video. If it works for you, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.